A way for the super rich to travel in secrecy. Designer shares concept for invisible 290 feet superyacht made out of mirrored glass to reflect the sky and sea. It is an idea that would allow the super rich to travel the world in utmost secrecy. This luxury superyacht, which would be made entirely of mirrored glass to reflect the sea and sky, has been unveiled as a concept by designer Jozeph Foakis. He said the proposed 290 feet, 88 meters, vessel, dubbed Pegasus, would be the world's first 3D printed vessel and invisible both in design and in her environmental impact. The boat, with inbuilt solar panels, would be able to reflect the sky, clouds and the surrounding environment. Its reflective solar wings, hidden in the glass of the superstructure, would also be able to provide solar electric power to run, working alongside a hydrogen hybrid source, Foakis said. The energy from the solar power in turn is used to power electrolyzers extracting hydrogen from seawater. Fuel cells then convert hydrogen to electricity stored in Li-ion batteries for powering azimuth pods, a type of engine, and all operating in hotel systems. The price for the superyacht has not been revealed but undoubtedly will be aimed at the extreme wealthy. Pegasus is currently being prepared to show interested shipyards and could be in production by 2030. There is a multi-level tree of life hydroponic garden which provides fresh food and air purification on board. On the top floor the concept features a master suite, with a large private terrace, which only the boat's owner would be able to access.